What's going on, guys? Today I got a special video for y'all. I'm out here at Supreme Welding Academy. I came over here to do a video for them, mirror welding. Let y'all check y'all school out right here.
Hello guys, it's Yuri Santana here. School director of Supreme Welding Academy. I know we've been gone for a minute, but we are now back and better than ever, providing you guys with the best welding content, 4K vision, only here in arc-addicts.
The school is out here in Houston, Texas. It's called Supreme Welding Academy. It's a really good school if you want to come do a pipeline. They'll teach you how to do a branch, anything you want to do, TIG. They'll get you prepared to go to the field. They got plenty of boots. I'm not sure how many boots they have, but they have a good bit if you want to come learn. They also work on machines if you need your machine. Today I'll be doing a mirror weld in this box right here. I'm gonna do a 2-inch schedule 40. I'm gonna have it tacked up right here, and I'm gonna mirror weld the whole back side of this. So hopefully I enjoy the video. For this procedure, I'm gonna be using my Blackface SA200. It's like I've been telling you, it's a really good machine to break out with, and they run TIG and stick really good. So I'm about to go ahead and tack the pipe. I'm gonna use a 1/4-inch gap, since it's gonna be in a pretty tight position so I can backfeed. So let me just check it out. I got the pipe tacked up, got 2 tacks, got about a 1/4 gap, maybe 3/16 on this side. So since this is my bigger side, I'm gonna start welding this side. I'm gonna hop to the other side. I'm gonna be doing everything from the top, looking through the bevel. This is the view that I'm gonna get exactly right here. Put my rod in there and feed all the way up to about halfway. Then I'm gonna hop to the other side. Now I'm about to start doing my hot pass. This method, I decided to use a mirror. What I did was I bent my rod, and I'm gonna start from the bottom, and I'm gonna carry all that metal all the way to the top. Thanks for watching. If you got this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see the rest, go to their page, and that's Arc-Addicts on YouTube. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. I appreciate all my new subscribers. I finally hit 1,000. That's major, man. I'm really excited. I have tons of videos to come out. I have a few more I'm working on right now, so don't forget to subscribe.